Join me as I take on the challenge of implementing military discipline into my daily routine to see just how much my productivity can skyrocket. Military discipline is often associated with rigid rules and strict protocols. But what if I told you that it can be a game changer for your personal productivity? By adopting certain principles and habits from military training, you can overcome common obstacles and achieve your goals more efficiently. One of the biggest productivity killers is procrastination. We've all been there. We know we need to get started on a task, but somehow we just can't seem to muster the motivation to take the first step. Another major issue is lack of focus. With so many distractions around us, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose momentum. And then there's the feeling of being overwhelmed when a task seems too big or too complex to tackle. Military discipline can help you overcome these obstacles and stay on track. To handle unexpected setbacks or changes in your plans. I have seen firsthand the transformative power of adopting military discipline in a civilian context. A few years ago, I was struggling to stay focused and motivated, and my productivity was suffering as a result. But then I started incorporating some military-style habits into my daily routine, and the difference was astonishing. I was able to stay on track, even when faced with complex and daunting tasks. My experience isn't unique. Countless people have found that adopting military discipline has helped them overcome procrastination, stay focused, and achieve their goals. And I believe that you can experience the same benefits. By applying the strategies and habits we've discussed today, you can unlock a new level of productivity and achieve things you never thought possible. So what's the takeaway from today's video? Military discipline isn't just for soldiers. It's a mindset and a set of habits that can help anyone overcome common productivity obstacles and achieve their goals. By prioritizing tasks, managing your time effectively, and staying accountable, you can unlock a new level of productivity and achieve success. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on military discipline in the comments below. If you're looking for more productivity tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos on the channel.